Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I come to say thank you so much for viewing my videos, and then also to click there just to add some subscribe. And I like it and I really appreciate it. Now what I want to say is just to remind you that Jabbar is making corrugated boxes, and then also these branding cards, and making some signage and to just make these teardrops. Last time I didn't, I think, mention it, but after making this plap stand, we are also making teardrops, everything like that. Whenever you need to just tell the people where you are working from, I mean your company name, just to put on the gate to show people who you are, or what is the company is doing there, just to come to us, and then we are going to even suggest you something there. And then another thing I want to say is that if you don't have that design or artwork, remember that we are going to make it for you. Even though we are not expert in this, but we are good. Yeah, we are good as software. We are good. But never mind to tell us some, to give us some advice if you see that there's something which is not proper, about our service or how we are doing those things. It would be much appreciated, because you help us to just correct something. But another thing to want to say is that if you were our customer maybe last many years ago, and then maybe you are no longer in a business but you are coming back, just remember to come back again, and then we see we see what is the new there. And then if you are our customer, we really appreciate how you are being our person. We really appreciate you. Another thing I want to say is that we are always pray for you, for your business to be very good than before, and also just remember to be the true person. To use the truth in your life. That is a advice. I'm not insisting about it, but if you do it, it will be better, because there's some blessings come from being true. Another thing I want to say is that all your customers who are having some trucks, remember when you come, we are giving you very good reduction, very good reduction. Remember, because we treasure you a lot, my customers. May God bless you so much. If you see this video and then you feel that you don't need those such services, just remember that you can share to those people who are in need. They're outside of country. Remember, we are doing export. If you need boxes and then you are in Tanzania, Burundi, Congo, whatever, Uganda, I don't know if you have many industries there, but still you may be, or maybe in some area which is nearby Rwanda, and then you say you need boxes from Rwanda. Why not just come to us, or just to contact us, and then we are going to deliver to you. And then remember, we are the best in making boxes. If I say that, you may say, hey, why you're saying like that? Just come and then tell me. You compare it to others, it's okay. You will see it finally. Even though today you may not accept it, but the future will tell you. Time will tell you, guy. But what I need to say is that I think a lot Jabbar. Jabbar is the best solution in Rwanda, whether they like it or not. But still, do not remove that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, clients. Thank you for being loyal. Even though it was so hard, but you made it, my guy. May God bless you so much. That's why I keep eye on you. That's why I keep giving you good service. By God is willing. Amen. Thank you so much for clicking, for sharing my video to everyone. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Salut, salut les mecs qui parlent français là-bas. Je dis les gens du Congo, les gens du Burundi. Nous sommes ici au Rwanda. Je suis Laetitia de Djebar. Djebar, c'est l'usine qui fabrique les cartons de lait à simple cannelure et à double cannelure. Si tu fabriques ou bien si tu produis du jus, de l'eau, de quoi et les autres, et puis tu veux les cartons d'emballer votre produit, s'il vous plaît, viens ici au Rwanda et nous avons l'usine qui fabrique les bons cartons, monsieur. Je te jure. Si tu arrives ici, tu vas me dire, toi Titi, ce que tu dis c'est correct. Pourquoi tu traverses Rwanda pour aller chercher les cartons alors que Rwanda est ici à côté de vous? Non. Ne faites pas ça parce que nous sommes ici pour vous, les gens de là-bas. Tu peux me contacter et puis je vais te donner les cartons, tu comprends? Il n'y a pas de problème ici parce que si tu achètes les cartons du Rwanda, tu vas aimer ça parce que c'est très beaucoup et puis c'est à bon prix. Attends quelques minutes, je vais parler à quelqu'un ici. Moi, je dis de vous dire que nous sommes nous sommes bien fabriqués ça. Viens ici au Rwanda et tu vas me dire. Tu vas aimer ça. Les cartons blancs, les cartons kaki, tu vas choisir. Ça dépend de ce que tu veux. Moi, je connais que les gens du Congo, tu aimes beaucoup les cartons blancs et puis ici, nous fabriquons le bon carton blanc. Voilà. Et puis, nous imprimons aussi sur les cartons à propos de ce que tu veux. Tu vas nous dire, je vais imprimer ça sur mes cartons et puis je vais te donner les mêmes choses. Tu vas me dire, je te jure. Et puis, ce que je vais vous dire est notre commande. Si tu me contactes, je vais te dire combien de cartons, minimum, c'est combien. Ça va être bon pour vous. C'est le bon pour chacun. Ne t'inquiète pas de me dire ce que tu veux. Et puis, tu peux reposer. Et puis, je vais te dire, ça c'est correct, ça c'est très difficile. Et on va nous faire la causerie. Et puis, on va voir quelque chose en fait. Et puis l'autre chose que je vais vous dire, c'est que on peut imprimer sur les véhicules que tu utilises dans le commerce. Si tu as les véhicules, puis tu vas emballer ça en utilisant étiquette, tu vas me dire parce que nous fabriquons ça aussi. Et puis il y a beaucoup de choses, les matériaux qu'on fabrique ici, les matériaux de publication, si tu veux que les gens vont connaître ce que tu fabriques là-bas, là où tu es. D'abord, tu vas utiliser beaucoup de choses, les signes de quoi et quoi, tout ça. Tu vas me dire si tu veux le tableau de quoi et quoi, et puis je vais fabriquer ça pour toi. Au bon prix, monsieur, au bon prix, je te jure. Si tu viens ici, tu vas me dire, toi, tu es l'homme de parole. Merci beaucoup. Merci pour abonner sur mon channel. Je vais vous aimer. Je vous aime beaucoup. Que Dieu te garde, que Dieu vous bénisse. Merci beaucoup. Ciao, ciao.